Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. I have you on a different tripod this morning, so hopefully this works out. My arm gets tired when I have to hold my camera, and I used to have like a holder attached to the back of it, but it made it almost virtually impossible to go from, I would have to take the case all off of it where it would have the holder, and then I would have to put it in the tripod, and it became a nuisance. So when I upgraded cameras, I didn't buy a case for it that had that holder on it so that I could slip it in and out. I just got a different tripod for these moments when I'm going to be talking to you guys. So it is, what day is today? I feel like so lost. Today is Tuesday, and it is pouring down the rain outside. It's extremely gloomy. However, it is not as cold as it has been. Last week, it was bitter cold, but this week, not so bad. So I'm not unhappy. I'm not unhappy about things. I've had my coffee this morning. I had a couple pieces of French toast. Had a very bad night last night due to acid reflux that I know y'all don't want to hear about. But if you are a struggler with acid reflux, you all know. And the only thing that I did different last night before I went to bed was I had a handful of M&Ms. And I think that chocolate is my downfall. I think that chocolate instantly throws me into heartburn central, which is bad because I love chocolate so much. But future reference to self, if you're going to eat it, take your acid reflux medication before you eat it. I don't eat chocolate every day, so when I do eat chocolate, I do enjoy it. But anyhow, that's that. So to catch you up on things in my life, let's see. I left you off because my parents went home. You saw me cleaning last week. Had a good cleaning reset on the house, and I feel like I am resetting once again. I am headed out to Walmart this afternoon, about 1 o'clock. Ron is at the gym, and then hopefully he will get back in time to go with me. That is the plan. They are supposed to pick me up around 1, so I look for them about 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So hopefully they're not too early, and Ron will be home from the gym, and he can go with me. I just need a little bit of everything. I need some coffee creamer. I need some milk. I'm out of bread. You know, just the odd and end things that you just run out of during the week. I did go to Sam's over the weekend. And, oh my gosh, it was this probably seems silly to some of you guys, but I was able to buy some of the sale items, like the easy fix-it type of meals, because usually I can't buy that stuff because it will not fit in my freezer at all. And now that I have a chest freezer, I was able to buy a few things. Now, we don't eat easy fix-it meals every day. But if there is a day that we have something pending and I need to fix something easy, it is so nice to have those types of things handy. So they had corn dogs on sale, $10 a box, which some of you probably think is a lot, but go to Walmart and buy you a box of corn dogs. You'll find out it was a deal. Everybody was buying them. I got a giant bag of Tyson chicken nuggets. And I like those frozen burritos, like beef burritos. Those are really good in a pinch. You know, you can just throw them in the oven or the microwave. We like them in the oven. I think when you put them in the microwave, they have a tendency to get too hard. But when you bake them in the oven, they taste more like you made them. And What we like to do is just kind of sprinkle a little bit of queso cheese over the top and kind of melt it on there with a little sauce on the side. And it is easy, and really delicious. I bought some bananas, and I got 2 packs. I don't know if you all go to Sam's, but I bought 2 family packs of the chicken drumsticks, and you can get a giant, I did, a big giant family pack of drumsticks for like $6. And that will last us a couple meals, which is awesome. My husband likes me to shake and bake those babies or make fried chicken. But I have been trying not to fry a whole lot of food. And my little tiny Fry Daddy thing died. And so I don't have one anymore, which might be a blessing in disguise because we don't need to eat all that fried stuff. It is, it's not good for you. Obviously, like French fries fried taste better. Let me get the phone and I'll be back. I got these new headphones. You all have probably seen me wear these in my videos while I'm cleaning. I Bluetooth those. See, I have the AirPods, but they just don't sit comfortably in my ears and they won't stay in. My ears are really small and they are just overpowering. I have tried the ones that fit behind your ear, the bone density. They like really affect my head. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. They just like vibrate my head to death. And then I just don't feel well after I use them. But these are amazing. And I feel like I'm going back to like the 80s, 90s with these big muffs. But these are noise canceling earphones. Like when I pull my book up on the tablet and I listen to it with those, I don't hear nothing. I don't hear anything outside of my book. I just concentrate on it, and I set up my camera, and then I have my earphones on, and I just go around and I clean and do my thing, and then I edit my footage at the end of the day. So it's really been a win-win, because I'm not one to really just sit still and read a book. So this has given me the option to, be up moving around and be able to accomplish my reading goals. Okay, guys, I got a message from my son that said, "Open, you got a package in now." And I'm like, I do, because I didn't order anything. So that means he got me something. And I'm just going to cut this envelope. And let's see what it is. I'm keeping my address this way. Ooh, look at that. We were having a discussion the other day. Let me put my glasses on. This is how old I am. How I wanted some new impress nails and what I liked. And oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Hopefully you guys can see and there's no glare, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear those. I might do my nails for Christmas Day. I'm going out to dinner and stuff, so we'll see what happens. Be pretty nice to have my nails done. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm finally back from the grocery store. You can see what time it is. I left here at 1. And I told them I probably wouldn't be a whole 2 hours. And I called them at 15 after 2. And I'm just now getting in the door. So I waited a little over an hour for the bus. And my legs and feet hurt so bad. But here we are. We are back. I've got everything on the table. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So I got some pecanis. We just use it as salsa. You've seen me use it in my chili. I've used it for a lot of things. It's got good flavor and it really adds to different recipes. I bought my addiction coffee creamer. I'm addicted to this stuff. Thank you, Danny, by the way, which I know he'll watch this. I bought a ham. This is our first ham. And I bought some McCormick salad seasoning. This stuff is amazing. I know y'all have heard me say a lot about this. My neighbor actually got me hooked on this. Ran completely out. If you want a good recipe, I have a spaghetti salad recipe, but this is good in macaroni salad. It's good in any kind of pasta salad. It just really adds to it, and I love it. Got, let's see, evaporated milk. I wasn't sure what I had, what I didn't, so I just grabbed just to make sure. A condensed milk. Also got a hot Jimmy Dean sausage because we like our breakfast. Some bacon, a couple things of the marshmallow cream because I am going to be making some fudge of my own, and a couple things of imperial margarine. Also got some fajita seasonings, some cottage cheese. I got Ronnie a big bag of oven roasted almonds.
She got her baby. Oh, well, thank you, baby.
And a thing of creamy peanut butter. This is my favorite peanut butter of all times. It's my mom's favorite too. Some tater tots, hash browns, couple bags of broccoli. Got some pineapple juice. It's upside down, but it's pineapple juice. Got some queso dip, as well as some eggnog. Also got myself some bath stuff. This here smells amazing. This is the body scrub, and then to go with it, I got the bath soak, the foaming bath stuff. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna really enjoy that tonight in a bath. Bought a thing of American sliced cheese, a large bag of mild cheddar cheese, also a big box of turkey burgers. I'll put that in my freezer. Gallon of milk back there. Let's see where we're at here. I don't want to leave anything off. I bought a thing of Sprite, some Rice Chex cereal. I'm going to make some, if everything goes well, I'm going to make some Monkey Munch. And then got some sour cream, some olive oil, some saltine crackers. Also got 2 things of canned biscuits, 2 things of light red kidney beans, a Keurig hot chocolate, and a very nice man who I know will never watch this. I could not reach this to save my life, and even somebody else tried to help, but a really tall man showed up and said, I think I can get it, and he did. So thank you, very tall man. We got a loaf of bread. I got 2 peppers, some blueberries. These bowls are for my group for Monday, but I'm going to have tons of leftovers, so we'll be using those for the house. Some ramen noodles, some 18-count eggs. Let's see, I know I've got more. I've got onions in here. I just didn't take it out of the bag because I didn't want it to flake all over the table. I've got some thinly sliced steaks. This is the steak that I use for fajitas. It's not real expensive, and it tastes really good. I got some pork steaks right there, and I got a whole turkey that I put in the freezer because I did not want it to even thaw a little bit. I wanted to get it into the freezer because I had to wait so long. So he's tucked in. I'm going to get all of this put away, and I'll be checking in with you all again momentarily. So after starting my bedding in the washing machine, I decided it was time to open a gift that I have received. And it is, if you're familiar with the TV series called Hell's Kitchen, it is the cookware. It is really heavy. It is my favorite color cookware. It is so pretty. It was so funny because my dad sent me a picture, or my mom did. I never can tell which one is texting me. Said, "What do you think about this? Dad got me some new cookware." And I thought, Dad got you cookware? What about me, And when they came to visit, here they came with the cookware from Hell's Kitchen. And it is really, really nice. I'm showing you all of it here on the stove. So I'm going to christen this pot today with you all. And I'm going to just make some really easy pasta sauce. So I'm starting with a pound of lean ground beef. And I am cutting the casings off an entire pack of hot Italian sausage. And I'm just going to brown that up. Once it gets good and browned, or while it is browning, I'm going to add in some onion. So it's probably about a small onion, couple tablespoons of minced garlic that's kept in olive oil. And I'm just going to keep breaking this up and cooking this up until it is nice and done. And then I'm going to add in a couple jars of my favorite spaghetti sauce, which is the Walmart brand mushroom sauce. I also like the Aldi mushroom spaghetti sauce as well. Either one is fine with me. I love them both. But I'm just basically just going to dump those in. I am going to add a little water to the jars to kind of make sure I get everything out. I'm going to boil some spaghetti on the stove, and then we're just going to make up our plates. And then we're going to eat supper. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of a quick and simple video. I just wanted to touch base with you all, just let you guys know I'm thinking of y'all. I hope y'all are enjoying family Christmas festivities together. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thanks so much for watching.